we're busy with the second partner, the chorus tabs for Tears in Heaven. It's going to sound something like this. Notice the bar chords. And then back to the introduction again. Now let's first have a look at your chord shapes. We've done the picking pattern quite in depth, so you know about using your thumb and your 3 fingers there. We're going to focus exclusively on the fretting hand. Now the opening chord, you could do this, but that's just really, first of all, quite unnecessary and quite clumsy. So please bar chord the first one and you'll see why now. Okay, it makes a lot of sense when you go to the second chord. You might want to use your second finger to strengthen the first finger if necessary, or you can just have it off. The picking for the first bar, you pluck strings 6, 3, 2 and 1, but all at the same time. And then you go to the 6th string, you can see the vibration there, bottom 3, 6th string, and if you build the rhythm it's going to sound like this. And you'll notice my hand lifted up there because the very last note in the first bar is a 0. So you're doing 2s the whole way through because you're in fret 2 and you're counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that last and, the 0, you lift up your hand and you move it to the 1st fret and then also bring the middle finger onto the 2nd string, 2nd fret, and you get this. So the movement again, I'm going to try and get a different angle just to try and show it there. I'm not sitting very comfortable, so if I fluff a note now, it means it's because I'm almost falling off the chair trying to show you the shapes. Let's go, first and second bar. Watch the movements. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, open, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. And after that, it comes really easy because you'll notice there's 0s and 2s, and to get the 0s, middle finger doesn't move, he stays on fret 2, that's the 2, and the lifting of the first finger gives you your 0s. You'll also notice now the 5th string was vibrating, so it's from here, 6th string, open, still the 6th string, onto the 3rd bar, 5th string. And you'll notice that transition, when I went from the 2nd bar to the 3rd bar, this finger didn't have to lift. Now, the 4th bar is the next possible challenge. It's not a big one. For those that know their bar chords, you're going to start with the F sharp 7th bar chord. Finger 1 back to fret number 2. Middle finger number 2 is going to go string 3 from the bottom, 3rd fret, ring finger, string 5 from the bottom, 4th fret. You don't need that ring finger yet, but later, halfway through the 4th bar, when you see that double 4, you just bring the pinky in, so it makes the movement more graceful, more fluent, easier to play. So it's going to go like this, slow motion. And then the pinky comes down with a double 4. You move back into a similar shape, in fact the same shape rather, that you use in the 2nd bar, only plucking strings 5 and 2 together, and then you slide it forward into the next line, which will give you a chord called D with a B bass. I'm not too worried about that, I didn't include the names of the chords here as such. And that's simply going to be 5th string as a bass note, you can see it vibrating there, and it's going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then I change to D and we simply go, and that's your chorus. So I'm going to change angle a bit there. I'm going to count us in, and I'd like you to try and play through the entire chorus in slow motion. Okay, here we go, slowly. 2 and 3 and 4 and. Lift the first finger up onto the 5th string. There's an F sharp 7th. Pinky, move back, slide into the D shape. And then that part we covered obviously in the first video. That's pretty much your chorus. We just want it a little bit faster. Want to try it faster with me? 2 and 3 and 4 and... Sorry about that one. And that's your chorus. Again, sorry about that one note. That's to show that it's live and there was no editing later. Okay. If you've got any questions with the chorus, let me know. The last video to follow through for this, also going to be a short one. That's going to be your bridge tabs. But I want to learn this song in stages because there's a lot of small, subtle changes. There's nice bar chord techniques. So I want to make sure each video covers each of these sections nice and accurately, nice and smoothly, so I know exactly what to do. Again, for those that have got my WhatsApp details, you're more than welcome to ask me any questions. If you're not a student of mine and you want to ask a question, you're still welcome. Drop me a message via YouTube, whatever, or yeah, let's see if we can help. Have an awesome day. Take care.